Hello, this is a new puzzle box in the new series, the series I call Find the Bag. Yeah, it's a bag, holding. Yeah. So here it is. Bigger than the other. Here's, and this is 3 bricks. And here is a minifig. Yeah. To open it, in this you don't have to pull off a Lego, and it's all the keys are. You need all the keys to get your bag of prize. So the first thing you want is slide this. This come out. You see, it's key. This. Take it out. Yeah, we can take next key, so you know what. Yeah, because you open this, and it's a key there. So you wanna push here. Nothing happens. Nothing blocks it. So you push in here. This come out. Now you can push it in, but nothing will happen. So what you wanna do, it's a hold down here. So when you push, this come out, and it's another key here. Doubles along. So put it in a. Here's your bag. Here's your bag. No. Yeah. So, when you get flowers, it's on 3 or 4, I think. It sits on this. This is that thing in the middle. So, let me just put it back. So there you go.